from the deep of Indian Ocean comes a man whose horse is God. It will cost me nothing to make you rich.
Exactly why I came here.
This is the pot of life and power. Guide it with everything you have.
My Lord Karishima, what will I do with this?
The wind will tell you when you get home.
Good day. Mama, you are not supposed to be eating dry yam under this hot sun. Why now? We are not that poor, Mama. Please, take this money, buy foodstuff and prepare something good for yourself. Please.
Odinaka, how many times have I told you to stop wasting your time trying to give me money? I will not take money from you until you start a legitimate job. Do you hear me?
Mama, it's hard to get a legitimate job in this country. It's hard. Do you think I enjoy what I do? No. At the road street, no me inside this street. But man must work. Mama, please, stop.
If you can't get a legitimate job, like I said, then eat your money alone. But let me remind you something. You are my only surviving son. My son, it will be good you stay away from the street and seek a better life elsewhere.
Me, Obonto Bolonto Kotokoto. And then nigga no hold back, but he did like this. So say they enter all this Dubai, they enter like Italo. And see now, I be like tree where they no plant well. Still they grow. All I know be say Oluwa must pick call for street one day. Street must pay. Huh? They here they wallow in penury with my sisters. They get mind. They do anyhow. What's up? Monitoring spirit. What's it? Huh?
Brother, what kind of a brother are you? If you never do a mao or do a ma at all, we go out there hawking and begging for money, only for you to come home from God knows where and still take the little money we used to feed. It's not good now, brother.
You know what they save you, eh? On how I take day. And because say when I look you, they resemble your face, they resemble mama. If no be a man, one Mwogi salap na mwogi bumbolo. Bonyala. Ngozi come phone koku.
Oga, all these things you just said, serious story. In fact, test by moonlight. What am I even saying? I saw some money in your pocket last night. Give it to me.
So, if you dey sleep, you go enter my pocket. They dig whether you go see money or not. Thunder go soon fire you. You see you? Thunder go soon fire you.
Brother, you're not going anywhere until you give us money for food. You cannot go out there and eat only your own and still come to this house and eat our own with us. It's not possible. Come and give us money for food. We are hungry.
Now you the block. Come. Your new boyfriend na cultist. This way they take you newly now. Na capon for school. Who they give you the mother? You the mad? I just swallow him. I go swallow him because of.
Now make this guy come out here now.
Huh? Open to the Jones. Open to the Jones. Na Jones. Why you go keep men waiting now? No, why you go keep men waiting? You want to spoil our runs?
I be the matter now. It's a lie.
No, see timing now.
It's a lie.
See timing. See timing. See timing.
You understand?
Nah, no be those best.
Now
why you dey para for me?
You dey fuck up.
Dey para for my matter on to side.
Nah, that for your matter.
I go run and tie you.
Can you imagine?
I go run and tie you now. I want to become no vex now. Plenty bara. Make we sour bro. Sour nje.
Wow.
Move vex.
People are wicked. I saw that. I thought it was his
Nigerian Johnson, take your right. Go see him.
Hurry up, eh?
Run.
so tired.
Hey, Mama.
You're welcome. I'm so tired. I'm tired. Sorry.
Oh my God, my son.
I'm so tired.
Sorry. Mama.
My son.
So stressful walking down from there.
So sorry. I know it's very, very stressful.
That reminds me, Mama. Mr. Foma said you should try and see her. Preferably today. She sounds very serious, Mama.
I almost forgot. Esther, Mama, please go inside. Get me the money I gave you yesterday. It belongs to Foma.
Okay, Mama.
God.
Mama.
Almost forgot.
Mama, I'm very, very hungry.
Hungry. You like food every time you are hungry. Try to be a man.
Mama.
Oh my God. What happened here? God. I hope they're not taking my money. Hey. Jesus! I can't find my money. Mama! 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 What is the problem? Mama, I don't know what just happened though. I can't seem to find the money you gave to me. Which money? Mama, the money you gave me.
What are you talking about?
I can't find it, Mama.
Why now? Why?
Mama!
Jesus!
Mama!
Mama, don't do this to me!
Mama,
Don't do this to me! Fucking go down!
It has gone well now. The money.
No, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Now this is not go well now. Reason now. Now come on, we can't continue like this. Imagine the risk involved. Eh? This is peanut compared to the risk we take.
But Naka, calm down. We can only take what the street offers to us. Even me, I'm not happy too.
My brother, listen to me. When I take day in these streets, you should know now. Somebody like Obonto, Bolonto, Kotokota, I deserve a better life, my brother. But look at it. Nobody will kill himself. We will be hustling. One day,
It depends on the number you are using to call Oluwa. Don't you get it? Every now and then we keep taking risk. Okay, imagine the risk we took now. Stealing that keke. Imagine if we were caught. They will set us ablaze. Now, will you die for such risk? It's not worth it now. It's not worth dying for. So my point is, let us upgrade this thing. If we are talking about robbing a bank or 300 million, it's worth dying for. Even if you die in the process, you'll be like, okay, you are a man. Not dying for because stealing phone.
I understand what
Let's upgrade. If you people want to continue local robbery or whatever, I'm not interested. Let's upgrade this thing.
We understood what you're saying. But the most confusing part of it is that why would you be thinking about you being caught or not? What you should be thinking is that we'll go and come back successfully one day. Is it not? After all, today market paid well. Today business went well.
No bad.
Why won't? Because all you do is drink beer and pepper soup. Do you have family problem? If you get family problem, you're not gonna talk this to me. You know my own problem.
What they want, Mama?
They say you do okay. How much?
They calm down.
Ordinaka, you have family problem, Since you have family problem, keep your family problem to yourself. What's the meaning of family? Why will he be talking about family problem? If he has family problem, then he should keep his family problem to himself.
My love, I went to your place and you were not there.
I am a graduate, but I can't even get a job. And my country is doing nothing about that. I'm in the street. Why am I even painting it good? Let's call it spade a spade. I am a petty thief. And my mother has refused to touch my money because she calls it dirty money. Now tell me, am I supposed to be happy?
Calm down, my love. Calm down. I'm solidly behind you. I am. soon you will be at your best. I believe in you. I do.
What's up? Well, give me Benson already.
I like that by digital.
Oh, okay, by standard light. Yeah.
Oh, by standard light. Avoid standards.
The street.
Good afternoon, no.
Yes, so my sister. What do you want?
I want Coke. So much too much.
Coke.
You have big one?
Where I have?
Please. Hey, this one, eh? How much?
120, 150.
Hey, is it 100 naira?
Bring now. This one is 120, but give me 100.
See why you are my friend, eh?
Hey, my bag! Hey, my bag! Why don't you pass up? Who's pass up?
Hey! No, I'm Nadi.com. Why you not do like this? Hi! Oh boy! See! Powerful civilians for break my face, mieke. Come on,
Why Benjona?
Only tie in your leg, me. Only tie in your leg, me. Why you go see when I streets now? If you don't have such in the streets, the first thing that will come into your mind when don't land, so if you don't get tired for your leg, Onyosa Abiola now.
But Charles, I swear I have it. One noble, there may be one street.
Come to think of it, show you the Nakani. Show you the Nakani. Bishop says, I be this Yoruba way, they show you the Nakani.
Yes, in Ankonko.
Okay. Well, Naka never join us since 3 days. Or haven't you noticed? I don't know now. No. But I put up one guy there. Confirm. I know saying for this Zanga, for this streets, Olua must be called. She be now, fire them out. If you know what here in the streets, we live on the doors of our death. No security, no good place to lay, no guarantee for a better tomorrow. But we keep living and waiting on the outcomes. Days turn to night, or good lucks. Nights turn to morning, or death. All we pray for is a better life, or a fair death. What a life.
Hey, one day. Are we there now? What's up? What up, guys? How you outside? What's up now? Yeah, cool. What did happen?
And I take there. No say this life where you dey see na journey no be race.
Okay.
And yeah, I believe say nothing will dey chase, especially you. So if you chop, give your brother space. Yes, I go. At this point of both of us, we don't suppose they hide anything from anybody. That freshness where you come from.
I'm brother. So he's here. Now
where this freshness they come from?
You see how Cecilia.
I think.
Oh. Cecilia. You see him. Now my brother, let's just say I've been the knock for one door since, you know, understand. But last the door burst open. New door things. Now they bring this money on. It's a new door things.
For this Zanga way me and you dey differently. They knock on one door way open, and I don't know. I just hope say that door will get blood inside them.
On the rabbi then a motor by motor. See that door? I'm not send within the right for the door. I don't even see the door. Now within the inside the room be my target. And now
I ain't take there, eh? As you don't choose to day on Kumkum without letting anybody know. No wahala. For me, I go see the bara buru for street. One day Olua go pick my call.
What depends on the number now?
When the manager walk a while.
Yeah. You do things now.
Alpha, you join body. I want.
No.
You know you join body.
I don't need to move. I want you.
I'll see you later. Huh?
Later, please. One day. About be easy, oh.
All day one, mama.
See, see us today, if you one day for 7 days and they game.
Hey! All day one, mama. All day I know you're capable.
So I did it so.
You're
I was news about a man now. So I suspect, the woman suspect you. You know they do meeting where they drink. Drink your drink, you know. You won't give us poison. Drink beer now.
Obonto bolonto. Drink. Odinaka is capable. Odinaka can buy this place.
Baby. So now.
I don't believe things will change like this.
Now.
Chai, go easy. All the rara.
I take him now.
You're the best.
But you know, when I take there finally, huh?
Let me shock you now. Barman! In fact, close the fridge. Chai!
Odinaka bust my brain.
Close the fridge. And let's now. As I'm getting lock the fridge.
That one day, but please, before you lock the fridge, bring more drinks and then lock the fridge.
Golden spoon. Overnight. Oh, stop it, baby. Stop it.
All day one, mama.
Oh my God.
Stop
it.
I like it. I don't do answers. When I take them, I won't know how it take happen. Say you begin to chop money anyhow, because since childhood, where me and you they reach this level, my man, I never see you squander the kind of money where you squander today. So waiting be the secret.
Bobby, nothing be the secret. Na street we there, normal level, na street.
If you don't want to tell me something, no, you just talk and say you don't want to tell me something. You talk say in a street. No be this same street where me and you dey the bara. Now the same street. Now they tell me say, why you choose to leave me aside on this one, guy? Hey, Pio.
Wait, why you the para now? Why you the para? I dey ball you. I dey call you and give you money. We dey day. I dey make sure say you do alright. So waiting so. I don't dey try.
No be the balling be the issue. No be the balling. Teach me how to fish. One and no give me the fish. Where be the hook? How they take hold the hook? Where be say this all this blood tilapia they fall inside your hook? Nah, I want to know.
Oga, I no be fisherman. I no be fisherman. You don't understand. If you are not comfortable the way I'm treating you, make your own money and give me the one I'm giving you. Simple. Okay, when you teach you how to fish. Bad smoke, China.
Now, all you know they whine me, I beg. Which one be China? They tell you, say, make you tell me, I see they go for Zanga. They tell me, say, make I China.
China, give you clear now. Because they never smoke, make you the scatterism. China, give us.
On how you take there, eh? That's all you want, Abi. That's all you want.
Bobby, check out first.
China. Kosi. But the Lumo can go Libya.
Bobby, the one bell, give you clear.
Now, the buy your bell, one Baba.
The one bell, give you clear.
But the Budoka.
Okay. Mama, good day, ma.
My son, please come back. Please come and sit down. My son.
Mama.
I saw a huge amount of money in this house. And I am also aware how you have been spending money lately. I wonder whose money you took this time.
Mama, I did not take anybody's money. Every dime you see me spend, I made it. Am I not old enough to make money?
But it is clear to me, very, very clear to me that that money that I saw in this house is not yours. But in whatever thing you get your life into, let the heaven and earth bear me witness that I am not in support of it. That is all I have to tell you.
One day for 7 days a day game.
Hey, no Bukwanya.
What day one mama?
All
day I know you're capable.
So I did it so. I was news about a man now. So I suspect the woman suspect you. No, they do meeting where they drink. Drink your drink, you know. You won't give us poison. Drink beer.
Just talk and say you don't want to tell me something. You talk say in a street. No be this same street where me and you dey the bara. Now the same street. Now they tell me say, why you choose to leave me aside on this one, guy? Hey, Pio.
Wait, why you the para now? Why you the para? I dey ball you. I dey call you and give you money. We dey day. I dey make sure say you do alright. So waiting so. I don't try.
No be the balling be the issue. No be the balling. Teach me how to fish. One, no, give me the fish. No matter how hard it may seem to be, one, no matter how hard, no matter how rough and tough the road may be, see that Jerusalem, go enter me. I go enter because one day when you over Kajim, one then, as in the Equilibrium cafe, for Boda Brugigwe, and got on near to Jim finally.
I thought I dropped it here.
Mama? 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 Ah, you've been running around like a pregnant woman. What are you looking for?
It's none of your business. Leave me alone.
Mama? Mama, wait. Mama, please. Wait. In fact, take. Buy whatever it is that you're looking for.
Please leave me alone.
Mama? Mama? Kill me. Kill me. I want to die. I want to die. Person wey no get money they leave. Kill me.
Impedu. Improportionality. Chalo. What is your problem? What is your problem? Do you want to die?
No. My name is Obonto Obolonto Kotokoto.
Your name is what?
Obonto Obolonto Kotokoto.
Abona, because I don't want to listen to the tone. Do you want me to wipe you from the surface of the earth? Why did you approach my locomotive?
I want to work for you.
You want to work for me? Now, did I tell you I was looking for any worker? If you don't vamoose from my road, I shall do what? I shall crush you like the earth sand. Ajopa.
You see that thing God in Academy for you, eh? I go do and pass.
Do you know what you speak? No! Do you know?
I don't know. I don't know, but if you tell me, what you know, you will never see before. I did this zanga the barabara bubu. As I the barabara bubu, no one no grip it call. Get us be now.
Get me pant. Used pant. Or pantenwodo. In agent, if you can get me a pantenwodo, I shall pay you 300,000 per pant. In if you
pant.
Ha! Used or pantenwodo. Okay?
What if I get you 5 pounds now?
If you can get me 5 pounds, you turn a millionaire. Make sure that they are used pants. Why? Hey, and 1 minute. Come. In case you have your mother's pants, that will amount to extra money. If your grandmother's pants is still available, okay, amount to for extra money.
And not that use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your life. I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as enough money, whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Poverty no good at all, you. Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your party, yo. Oh, you bring not the use me joke.
Amaka.
If you say you no go bring up, the only option here.
Amaka.
I saw your back to you. Oh, you bring up, and not the use me play. If you say you no go bring up, the only option here is baby, your back to you. Oh, you bring up, not the use me joke. If you say you no go bring up, the only option here. I saw your back to you. Oh, you bring up, and not the use me play. If you say you no go bring up, the only option here is I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as enough money.
You kept me waiting for too long.
No vex, I was actually looking for clean ones, but I finally found one that one. If you are unable to make it 5 as I promised.
The dirtier the better. I will give you 2 million in agent. But mind you that the business, but a business and a column, do you understand? In our tier. 2 million. And we are a go encouragement just to encourage you.
2 million.
2 million.
What do you do with these pants, especially the dirty ones? I am curious.
What is that you call your name?
My name is Obonto Obolonto.
Obonto Obolonto. I will advise you, get me the pants and I shall begin to pay you more money. Concentrate on that. More pants, more money.
Say you no go bring up the only option.
More pants, more money. More pants, more money.
I saw your band, oh yeah, bring up, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring up the only option, yeah, is your band or your life. As I'm trying to survive, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring up the only option here,
One day, I don't finally hit jackpot. See, for this street, me I know say one day Oluwa go pick call, streets go pay. But I tell you, I've made enough money. For the first time since man they for street, the bara buru. Oluwa don't finally pick call. I made so much money without stealing from anybody.
That sounds great, but how much is
it? For a tip of the iceberg. I'm thinking money and baby cool your temper. See, sir. Come on, no, sir. You want to touch my money? Baby cool.
baby, your band, oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your band or your life. I saw your band, oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your band or your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling on the street every day. Your party came to my rescue.
Bam bam, Dalun no. Dalun.
You, whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Suffer no good. As far as say no money, your back to your life. Baby, your band, oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your band or your life. I saw your band, oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your band or your life. Baby, your band, oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your band or your life. I saw your band, oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as enough money. Your back for your life. Yo, whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Poverty no good at all, you. Now you make me enter this business, yo. Yo, baby, your back, yo. Oh, you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. Your back for your life. I saw your back, yo. Oh, you bring them, and not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your back for your life. Baby, your back, yo. Oh, you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. Your back for your life. I saw your back, yo. Oh, you bring them, and not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your back for your life. I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as enough money. Your back for your life. Yo, whether my side.
What did they soap now? What did they soap? What was that? Eh?
Should you don't say be the one for couple. Those people they for catch person.
What you concern you concern pants? What you concern pants now?
Oh mind me. I'm sorry, skip my mind. I for tell you what.
Be serious now. I resemble comedian. Be serious. What you concern pants?
One you see that market where you they go buy salt, where they put for your food, where they make them sweet. On the more you go there, go roast, go to Tatashio Sensuka. You see on women now. I tell you.
Tonto, you finally met Chief Akuma.
When I take there now, so far say you don't know one day. For Oboda for. And when you go Oboda Kaji, but then they kill you over the cafe. And I'm defending you. If you this Zangana, I don't go to Igwe. Come on, Rosia by Collabo, Bruzier Kaji. One day, go away back. I take one. Castro one. I took a pants before mother.
Alwa Castigo.
We may go to involved.
Castigo now.
We may go to involved.
Castigo.
One day, you can go to the pants.
No collect of my water.
You no go bring up the only option here. Your back for your life. I saw your back, yo. Oh, you bring up, and not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring up, the only option here is your back for your life.
Hey, Jesus. Yeah?
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Almost. That's my sister. No, I love you so much.
Mama!
Yeah?
When did you start hanging pants inside the room?
So you've not heard?
Heard what?
About the missing pants in the neighborhood.
What?
Why would anyone steal people's pants, please?
Yeah, they even stole Mama Nkechi's own.
Are you serious?
Even the dirty ones. They steal it. So I decided to be hanging it. That is the new trend now.
This is unbelievable. Oh,
you better believe it.
Is this calm?
Hey.
Are you serious?
Hey, I'm serious. Mama. So it's better we hang it inside.
Mama, please, let's go. We are running late already.
Okay,
Let's
go.
just
Let's
go.
go.
We are running late.
Let's go.
Baby, your panty, oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. I saw your panty, oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as enough money. Yo, whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make you.
And these people melancholy keep me in the wait. There you are. Hey, Chieftain. No. You don't have any right to use up my time.
Chief, we are sorry. We're sorry.
Now tell me, is it complete now?
Of course. We have enough pants here. Hey, Chief, this is it.
Opante wodo. Opante wodo. Very good. So, tell me, who do I transfer into his account?
Dragini. No, sir. We prefer cash. We don't. In fact, we don't work with bank.
Chief, we don't go to the bank.
What are you talking about? Are you telling me that you are going to keep her 2 million naira at home?
Let us worry about that, sir. What are you afraid of? Kidnappers or armed robbers? We are in the same club. Just give us our money. Don't worry how we keep it.
Who will even thought of coming to steal from us?
Thief.
Orion Ezuri.
This is a total waste of time image. Tell me, what is the basic of the suffering? After all this hustling, the idea is for you to leave the slump. Look. See, I used to be in this category. Yes, of course, I was in a category, in the street hustling. But I did my best to make sure that I vamoosed from the street. And ever since I vamoosed from the street, I've been doing well. So tell me, how do you make so much money and you still want to remain in the slump?
Let us worry about this, sir. We were born and bred here. In fact, we have resident permits here.
Chief, this is our own Zanga, landlord gang.
Our lifestyle shouldn't be a problem here.
Of course.
Okay, very good. Very, very good.
This is our Zanga, where we the barabara.
No problem. There you go. You can keep the plant. Since you're not ready to relocate to a better abode, whenever you are ready, you can bring the plant to me. When you have finally relocated to a good abode.
No, Chief. I beg, no vex. Please, don't be angry. It hasn't gotten to that. Keep the pants when we are ready. When you give us the money.
It's not that serious, sir.
No, of course.
Okay, I'll come and collect the money later.
Meanwhile, we can't keep pants now. It's not risky.
No, it's not safe in our hands, sir. I will come and collect the money, sir. Don't worry. I have your number.
I will keep the pants. But before you come to me, make sure that you have relocated yourself from this slump and find yourself a very good abode that will make a benefiting bearer and a benefiting borrowed for yourselves.
Okay, sir.
Chief Chair. Make sure it is not a bungalow. Make sure it is a befitting duplex.
Baby, your panty, oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here.
If
I work for you. You cannot eat our money now. If he tries it, I'll kill him. No, you can't. You know it. I will go and collect our money. If he tries it, I'll kill him.
If you say you no go bring up, the only option
Danfo, for 1 week now, I've not seen Obonto Bolonto. What is happening?
Can't you see Odinaka stopped coming for a while? Obonto followed him. Maybe they'll find a better day.
Then we have to confront them.
Exactly.
We started this hustling together. They can't back out. Omoshilele now.
We have to confront them. We have to confront them so that they will tell us why they have chosen to abandon us. Yes.
That one day. But you have to wait, let me finish my smoke.
You don't have to finish your smoke. You don't have to finish that smoke. Let's hurry and meet them. They must tell us why they abandoned us.
I'll finish my smoke. My blood is high.
You don't have to finish that smoke. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not happy. Let's go. Can you imagine? We started this whole thing together. Huh?
Hey, new dress. Ubuntu. Hey, God bless Ubuntu. Hey. Dress for me now. Check out that one, sir.
I told you that one day, Oluwa will pick up.
Greeting, girls.
Hold it there. How may we help you?
Please, we are here to see our friend, Obonto Bolonto. Is he around?
Please, we are here to see our friend Obonto Bolonto. What for? What for? Sincerely, it was the two of you that made my brother a bad son of a good mother. A son that my mother gave birth in a righteous form. Yes. You guys casted your evil spell on my brother. Made him Oyantutu. Pickpockets. Okay, now, my brother said, no, I want to be a good boy. Let me go through that righteous path. You guys are here again to come and cast another evil spell on him. It won't work. It's not possible. Please, leave this place now. Yes, go from here.
You're lying.
It's not good.
Are you high? Did you take something? Did you take something high? See, if I hear you say a word again, I'll correct you with a slap. Are you mad? So you don't look face before you talk to people. Does she know how far we contributed in his brother's life?
Can you imagine?
Are you okay?
And we are telling you here and right now, our brother Ubuntu, not your brother, he will no longer be part of that your dirty jungle.
Who's this local fowl? No, who's this local fowl? Now listen, let me tell you, I can take insult from anybody. I can even take from Fanta or no Coca-Cola like you. If you say pim here now, I'll warm your jaw up. Are you high?
When you are going back in, get out from here.
Exactly.
Me get out?
Yes, get out. Get out.
Emieko, I should get out.
Hey, leave us alone.
Get out. Leave here. Come, get out from this place. Who is this one? Leave here, please.
Leave.
March on and just jump away from here. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it.
Go to your house.
Walk away.
Nonsense.
Please. Obonto Bolonto, our friend, Nege Muria, come and take Obonto Bolonto. Walk out on idiot.
See, Danfo, you have insulted. You have given me to the height of it that I cannot take anymore. What's the meaning of that now? You should have allowed me use slap and wake one of those girls up. Me, Eko. Those girls are insulting me. See, Danfo. No problems.
Eko, you don't have to touch that girl. You and I know that if you touch that girl, Ubuntu will never forgive you.
Spare me that sentimental bullshit. What nonsense. See, if Ubuntu tries it with me, I go run and enter him straight. You know how I hate nonsense. I hate shit in my life. It's not a reason for the younger ones to insult me. What rubbish. See, Omo, no make me vex. So don't allow me change it for you.
Eko, it is not about what you like or what you hate. Let's rush to Odinaka's house and confront him. Maybe he will tell us the new game they are playing right now. Yes! Let's go.
Odinaka. What do my man?
Mama! Get him.
Mama.
Mama, where is Odinaka now?
Is there God in heaven?
Has anything happened to
him? My dear, if you see my son, Odinaka, tell him I am regretting giving birth to him.
I don't understand. We thought something happened.
Guys. The way our magas pay these days, I swear, it's really incredible. All thanks to Chief Akuma.
All thanks to Chief Akuma.
You know, if I am told that I will become a millionaire within 2 months, I'll never believe it.
Okay.
Now look at us. Isn't it incredible?
Let me say something. You know, as we were saying things and all that,
of course,
it's really ringing in my head.
What is it?
We've made money, right?
Sure. Plenty of it.
I think it's not going to be a bad idea if we should run down to some Red Hotel and shut it down.
You got a point there.
You know what, Skido?
My man.
For the first time in your life, you're making a positive point.
Oh, come on. You know I love good life, you know.
You're so on point. You have a point.
We have to tell the world, money buys all things. Back in the days where we buy granite and garlic soap. It's not going to happen again.
Sly, Chief, if you continue picking and eating alone, you regret knowing me.
I'm sorry, Chief. I won't try it again next time. I promise.
Good. You can be on your way.
Thank you, Chief.
All right. You
can be on your way now.
Bonsoir.
Good day. Sit down. You are welcome to my humble abode.
Boss, here is not an abode, humble. This is heaven on earth, so you should say, welcome to my heaven.
You have not seen anything yet.
Why?
Chief everywhere, Marama. But that's by the way. Is he your son? I mean the guy that just left. No. My family are not situated in this part of the chemistry of the earth.
Yeah.
They are abroad.
Well, the guy looks like the son of a big man.
The guy is fresh anyhow like today, brother. I picked him up from the street, just like I picked you guys a few months ago. And you can see how working with me has changed his life and his entire being.
Boss, are you saying you will go fresh like that one day?
I do not pick boys from the street just to serve me. I pick them up to change their lives. Wow.
Can I lead you?
Oh, well, Chief, we are here to update you on the latest development. We've gotten an apartment, a good one at that. We've also opened an account. So please, transfer our balance as it is hot.
That is good. Jupiter will be a witness. That also reminds me. How come you have been bringing the same Opantenwodo from the same set of people? Why? Does that mean that all the women and girls in your vicinity have suddenly become little?
How did you know?
Sorry, sir, but I'm confused here. Did you test the pants?
I did not test the pant. Whatever I do with the pant is none of your business.
Chief, how did you know we got the pants from the same set of people?
I don't need to test the pant. All I want is pant or pante from different set of women. If you bring up pante from different set of women, it gives us the kind of money that you cannot imagine. So please, get me more opantenwodos from different set of women. Old, young, even expired women. Every opantenwodo that has touched the area is supposed to be touched. It's very, very good.
Right, boss. We'll do better this time.
Get me your account numbers.
In fact, I have the number of it. 007, Diamond Bank.
Take it easy.
Mama, your face is not bright. Mama, good day. Your face is gone. What is the problem? Eh?
My dear, there is no problem.
Are you sure?
There is no problem. I'm okay.
Mama. Mama, please.
My dear, I am regretting giving birth to my son.
Mama. There's not gotten to this now. Children of these days are like that. Mama, no, Mama. Is that why your face is like that? Mama, don't worry. Naka will change. Don't worry, it will change. I promise I'll always come to take care of you. Have you eaten? Okay, don't worry. Let me go and get your food for you. Stop crying, don't cry.
Baby, your panty, oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke.
So, you have received the confirmation.
Of course we have. Good. Wow. Of course.
You have received the amount, huh? And one more thing will be inclusive.
you both need cars. Wow.
Well, for me, it's early to buy cars. Yes, let's save up more money before buying cars.
Boss, let's hustle more a little more time, and make more Benjamins, and cars will come.
No. You see, your little tension is something that is driving your understanding. Let me clear you. At this juncture, in this business, you need cars. It will help the business, push the business faster. You understand? You all need cars. Cars. When they see you, they will never think, Yena Tota or Pantemwood. So the business is flowing.
Okay, boss.
No?
You win.
I will tell my agent to contact you. Only because only there. No? Okay.
My sisters, are you not happy? Okay, but take it. What is the problem? What is it on him? On him with the problem?
We are sick. We are sick.
We are sick? As in both of you?
Aye.
Oh, Marisa.
Aye.
What is the problem? Afoy. Musika, you people are sick and you could not even tell me.
We are waiting for you to come back.
You are waiting for me to come back. You were waiting for me to come back. Don't you have my phone? Don't you have my number? So open and Cambodia. Yeah. Get up. Let's go to the hospital. Ngwa. Hey! What is this? You've been sick and nobody cared to even call me. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Huh? It's not Afoy. Afoy Amaka. I want Anuro. Afoy, let's go. Don't get to the hospital, I will confirm. Because this boy's not I will know when I get to the hospital. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Yeah. So if I didn't come back, both of you will be shouting, Afom. Get inside the car. Don't. Because I don't understand. Both of you. I will know when I get to the hospital. Okay, kind of man. Doctor, I am worried. What is wrong with my sisters?
We've run all the necessary tests on your sisters and we found nothing. Which means their ailment has no medical explanation. Never to worry. I prescribed some drugs that will stabilize them for now.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mama, good day. How are you?
Odinaka, you choose a path to destruction. My son, why have you allowed your urge for money to move your feet to the wrong ground? Why?
Mama, must you condemn every move I make? Must you? Appreciate me for once, no matter what. I'm your son. It's not easy to make money. Mama, it is not easy to make money. You see all I do as bad, evil. It's wrong. Appreciate me for once. I'm your son. And it's not easy to make money.
My son, I still want you to walk uprightly and believe that one day the good Lord will surely reward you.
Mama, I'm tired of this. Since you don't want to appreciate and celebrate my success, I will never step my foot into this house again. Stay on your own.
My son.
Mama, stay on your own.
Please, turn a good leaf and make peace with your maker.
I should turn a new leaf and make peace with my maker. Good. Where was your maker when I was hungry? Where was your maker when I was roaming around the street looking for a job after 5 years in school? Where was your maker? Mama, since you've decided not to celebrate my success, stay on your own. That's simple.
This is for both of you. When you're exhausted, call me. Do not begin to wait for me to come back. Oh, are you listening? From time to time, I will be coming to check on you. And I'll soon take you away from here when I'm done building my own house.
Brother, you're building a house too?
Of course, it's no longer news now. What's the news now? Maybe you can get Pentecost. Very soon the streets will hear about it. Huh? Okay. So Ngwano, let me get on with my activities. Okay? Amalisa, you'll be fine. Brother. You'll be fine, okay? Ngwano. Ciao. I need to go or the day. Alright? Come on.
Ngozi, I'm surprised that this is our brother's new money. He's even building a house.
Amaka, when our brother used to say, one day Oluwa will pick all, I know it will happen. It's just a pity that our parents are not here to witness this success. So painful.
You think so?
I know so. I just pray that God should keep blessing him for us. That should be our prayer. I know. Amaka, let's go inside.
I want to stay here first, please.
Good day, Mama.
Rita, what can I do for you?
I came to see your son.
I don't have a son. Can't you hear?
Mama, I'm talking about Odinaka, my friend. Your son. Is he inside? Mama? Mama, I'm talking about your son, my friend Odinaka. Mama? Mama?
She doesn't have a son. I don't understand. She even loved him. He's not around. I will come back. I will come back.
Danfo, Echo, does he know what I'm hearing is wrong?
What are you hearing?
It's no longer news that my Odinaka and Ubuntu have made real money. Real cash.
You heard that too.
You did?
Yes.
Does it mean you are not with them?
They said the game chose them alone. So we're here, waiting for our own time. Show you all I'm doing Ghost time. Show long I'm doing.
Anyway, I just came back from school. I decided to come and see you guys.
I bet Odinaka does not call you.
How did you know about that?
Oh.
I have been calling him. His numbers are no longer connecting.
They got all the link they have here, except their mother that is still here. The new money they made has made them to forget all the people they started with. Manabachoso, Agwama.
Odinaka. Do you know where they live now?
Show long Landrode.
Rita! Mama? Come.
I hope all is well.
Yes. My beautiful daughter.
Mama.
Yes. I want us to talk.
I hope there is no problem.
No problem. I want us to discuss on that boy particularly called Odinaka. I want to advise you, stay away from him. He has no good reputation in this land. Everybody is talking part of him. Please stay away from him. Please, my daughter.
Mama, I love Odinaka. I am not a child. I'm an adult. I know what is good for me. Please, Mama, allow me and Odinaka to do what we like. Please. I'm in love with him.
Rita, my daughter. If okay no na wefu. Want to critical nelu kwaji. Amafia. No woman will see her child entering into fire and keep quiet. Please.
Mama, please.
Stay away from him.
Mama, just please. Tomorrow will take care of himself. Please. I'm out of here.
One day, I don't know why my mom hates me so much.
Don't worry. Your money will make her believe in you. When you make excess money now, she will not have any other option than to believe in you.
You don't know my mom. She's not someone you can buy with material things. What's up, dog? Wow, baby, you're here.
No, I'm there. Even if it's a lie, why did you cut off from me?
Baby, it's not what you think. Let's go inside, I can explain.
I knew you would.
Baby, trust me, I can explain. Can we just go in?
Is it not obvious you have made money and have made new friends? Should I live with your past? Is that what you want me to do?
Like I said before, it's not what you think. I can explain. Alright? Let's go.
I'm still not happy with you. I'm not happy.
Alright, I'm sorry. Can we now go in?
So I just come now. I didn't 3D the view. I know I be. But anyhow, so is you. You know, MSC Bobby and Arumun, I saw to rob by Kunkuma. No, no, is you.
When did I have this kind of pants? Oh, new pants. Were my old pants too old for me to wear? Maybe he doesn't want me to wear this once again. I like the sword. It's so beautiful. It smells nice. That's why I love my baby.
As far as say na money.
What's up, darling?
Oh, baby. Are you ready for work?
No, I'm ready for work. Obviously, I'm ready for work.
Wow.
I'm a sharing.
I'll miss you.
Baby.
Take care of him. Okay. Go well.
All right, darling.
All right, baby. Bye.
No, today is a beautiful day now. Come, let me tell you, bro. See here. I have a different strategy today.
Which is?
Let's use one car.
Why don't we use different cars? I mean, Mogo.
Let's use one car. I will explain.
If you say you no go bring up the only option here.
If I carry that girl,
yeah.
No, she's so bad now.
Was she waving for lift?
Wave for no wave, man. Opportunity come but once, so she don't miss this one.
Are you sure say she go at least stay at the back this one where you there?
No, we'll go down. My rush. Yeah, now.
Are they here?
I'll link up with you, yeah?
And now they use me play, yeah. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is I don't suffer no be.
What's up, darling? Morning, how are you? I love your dimples. Can I lift you? Please, just help me. Ebony Black. Look at your fine, sexy dimples.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
So what's your name?
My name is Pina.
Tina.
Yeah.
Tina. What a lovely dimple.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
You no go bring them, the only option here. I saw your back, oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play, yeah. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is I don't suffer no be small.
Cars bits. Are we there here now? What about now?
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Poverty no good at all, you. Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your back, oh yeah, bring up.
Jesus Christ.
Of Nazareth. Get down!
I'm going down, please.
Get down, my friend.
I'm going down, please.
Bring that bag here. Remove your pant. Fast!
My pants.
Shut up! Remove your pant. Fast!
If it's my that you want, I will give it to you, please. But don't shoot me, please. I'm begging you, please. Don't
Give me.
Baby, your back, oh yeah, bring up. Not they use me joke.
Wow. A well-furnished house. Beautiful cars. What could make Odinaka and Ubuntu this rich in such a short period of time? I just hope it's nothing illegal. Anyway, I will keep my eyes open. Yes. Nothing can be forever hidden under the sun. Nothing. I will get to find out someday. Yes. Yes, I will.
Hold on. Big size. We are bring and make a take you.
My boo-boo. You're back.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thanks, darling. How was your day?
I'm making him now.
Come on, you're welcome.
Thank you. I hope there's something to eat in this house.
You guys just sit down and relax. Sit down and relax. I'll get you a delicious meal.
Okay.
Oh boy.
I'm coming.
Wait, guys, I want him.
Nah,
Right. How many bags did you even get today? I will count it later.
Where is the bag?
My baby took it upstairs.
Hey, Odinaka. How you allow devil to use your brain now, brother?
Meaning, watch your tongue. Meaning,
Bros, you want cabin biscuit our deal? Do you know what Rita's tongue will do when she finds out what is in that bag? Right. All those fish when they chop for soup or one and they go see. And the ones we lose guard inside water, fishermen them catch them. We could cry our eyes now.
Darling, sugar.
Yes, baby.
Please get me water. Hurry up, okay? Hurry, please.
Sweetie, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Hurry up.
I'll be right back.
Oh yeah. Guys, this is the time to shut down the bar for real. Waiter. Listen. Shut it down everywhere. Sure. Close the door. No more customers.
Yes, sir.
How much is it?
You.
4 million.
That's my baby.
Oh, 4 million.
Yes, sir.
Just 4 million.
Get more drinks! Bring more drinks! Go. Enjoy yourself.
Are you guys happy? Come on, say wow! Say cheese! Say ha!
Onto form. You know, one thing is making money by transfer, and the other one is enjoying it.
We have made money.
Come on, smile for me. Oh my God. Yes. Nigga, what's up?
That's my mom! You know what? That's my mom!
It's now a genius to make money.
Yeah, in the gym! You know, let's have a toast.
Look on top.
Let's have a toast.
You know, what's happening? Let's make the youngest billionaires in town.
The youngest billionaires in town.
Hip, hip, hip!
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! At this point, we're gonna start. Let's go.
Well, yeah, I'm up and 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 when you show me love, girl, I know fish out too. I go tell you stop block Naija, now you I want to. To go carry am for head, let we say boali uku, opamado kaibo. But my girl, I want make you do me so, make you not do me so, 'cause now you I want marry. But my girl, I told me I like this so, I told me I like that too, 'cause now you I want marry. The way you dance with me, the way you shake it. Mommy and daddy do burn you. Make we do that thing. Mommy and daddy do burn you. To live the girl, who down what? She side the bit down what? Corner down what? I ain't trying to saba. Me I cook what the lamba. Man, I turn a lounge everywhere and I scatter. My girl, I want them like this. So, no do me like that, oh. 'Cause now you I want carry go. But my girl, I told me I like this, so. I told me I like that too, 'cause now you I want carry go. Hey, that the way you dancing me I like, the way you shake it me I want.
Uche, I have been thinking, where do Gibson and his friends get the money they spend on a daily basis? I thought they are G guys like us now.
They are G guys. Everybody knows that. But I think there is something they know that we don't really know.
No. I don't think so. I don't think so. I have been in this game long enough. There is no tactics I don't know about. So what are you saying?
So tell me, what could be their secrets? Listen, it is obvious those guys are making it big. Can't you see? The highest amount we have picked so far is £500. How much is £500 compared to the money those guys are spending on a daily basis? Tell me.
I will confront Gibson. Yes, I am going to confront Gibson.
How do you think he will tell you their secrets?
You see, I once did Gibson a favor. I don't think he will turn me down. No. He won't turn me down.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
I have money. Enjoy yourself. Chuka the man. Chuka the man.
Hey!
Okay.
Gibson.
Okay.
The man.
You're on top, man.
Hey!
Relax.
Gibson.
Join the celebration. Oh boy, come on. How are you?
Hi.
Hi.
Gibson.
Yeah.
Hey!
Join me.
Gibson.
You're my man, man. Chuka the man. Hey! My man. Who is this?
This is my friend Uche. Uche, this is Gibson. Gibson, the real man, the one I told you about.
Oh, you're welcome once again. Yeah, I'm always a Gibson.
Gibson.
Yeah. Enjoy yourself. We have everything here. We have drinks, whatever you want.
Gibson. The money making machine.
Hey. Enjoy yourself. That's so sweet, man.
Oh.
Gibson.
Chuka. It's been a long time.
Yeah, look at you, man. Hi. Shit.
Gibson the man.
Man, enjoy yourself. Enjoy. Hey! Yeah, it's good thing you are here.
Money is good.
Hey!
Gibson. I know I am not supposed to be discussing this with you in this kind of place, but I can't help it. Gibson, I want you to help me. Me and my friend, we want to be like you guys. We want to be big boys like you.
Chuka, you guys do what we do. How then do you want us to help you?
Gibson, it is very obvious that you guys are bigger and larger than us. Eh? Even the blind can see it. Gibson, can you just please do this for me for old time's sake? At least for the good old days. Gibson, if you can remember very well, I took you in when your people asked you to leave. Gibson, please, I will forever be grateful to you. Please just do this for me and my friend. I beg you.
Well, Chuka, I will ponder over it. Just give me some time.
Gibson,
What's up with you, guy? But at this point, let's enjoy ourselves. Yes, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself, huh?
Baby, your panty, oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your panty or your life. I saw your panty, oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your panty or your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling on the street every day. Your panty came to my rescue. As far as saying money, your panty or your life.
No, Sula, don't tell me you're still on love like this.
Gibson. Gibson, are you serious? Wait, I thought you were even joking. Don't tell me you want to take those boys to Chief.
You know, you guys know how much I hate bringing people into this club. Or leaking our secrets. But the fact is, this guy has really helped me. He was the one who talked me into this business. So, I have to help him. I think I really need to return his favors back to him.
I am not comfortable with this idea. I am not. Don't you think it's necessary discussing it with Chief first? At least we find out his own opinion over this before we take further decisions.
Listen, Gibson. This decision you must ponder over. You have to ponder over it again. Because we can't have you bring in someone that will drag our heads to a knock. Okay. You must have to think over it again.
You tell him, we have to be very careful. Don't take laws into your hands.
Yes. Gibson. Gibson demand.
You got the man.
Gibson, the real deal.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Gibson, the real deal.
Yeah, have a seat. You're welcome to my abode.
Hey. Gibson. Hey! Gibson.
Well, this is nothing. I am bigger than this.
Gibson, without wasting time, let me go straight to the point. We are here in respect to what we discussed.
Oh yes. Are you guys ready for this?
Gibson, you should know me. Gibson, you know me. Once it comes to money, I'm involved. I am always game. Once it involves the cash, once the money is involved, I am ever ready. Are we not ready?
Why not?
So, what are we saying?
It's alright. My boss has agreed to accept your... Yes.
Hey! Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey! Thank you, God.
Mama, shake me now. Hey! Gibson, thank you very much. Bros, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I promise I will forever remain grateful to you. Me too. Hey! Me too. Gibson the man. You guys are ever welcome. Gibson the money making machine. Hey! Yeah. We're going to be a big boy. Cruising in a Benzo. We, not you. We. Okay. Cruising in a Benzo. Hey! Ha! Gibson the money spender. Gibson the man. Shake me again now. Gibson, shake me again.
Oh man.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Jokes.
Yes, boss.
Are you sure that the both of you can handle this?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Do you have the heart that is strong enough to handle millions?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes.
Now, dip your hands one after the other into that pot. And whatever your hands feel, as soon as you get home, before you drink any water, dip each of the Confronting waters into your cup of water before you drink.
Boss, this pan smells very disgusting. It smells mud. Boss, we will do it. We will do it, boss.
The more it smells, the more money. The smelling of Confronting water, the oozing of Confronting water, oozes billions in all its channels.
Thank you, boss.
Baby, your banty, oh yeah, bring 'em over. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here, your banty or your life.
Keep it on the floor.
Oh yeah, bring 'em over. And not they use me play. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here is your banty or your life.
Bros, how do you expect me to drink water from this dirty and smelling pot?
Chuka, if you are not ready to be a millionaire, Chuka, if you are not ready to be a millionaire, take back these pants to Chief. As for me, I am ready to eat these pants here.
Oh yeah, bring 'em over. Not they use me joke. you no go bring up, the only option here. Your back to your life. I saw your band to you. Your band. Oh, yeah, bring up, baby, your band. And not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring up, the only option here is your back to your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling on the street every day. Your bounty came to my rescue. As far as saying I'm only.
What is wrong with you? Joker. God. When you start making the money now, you not remember this shit, God. God.
It seems as if you have been drinking this thing before.
No, this is my first time of taking it.
Are you sure?
I'm busy.
Say you no go bring up, the only option here. Your back to your life.
Hey, they don't break. They don't break. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out now. Check it out, Uche. 150 million naira. I don't die. Hey, my guy. This money where he enter, he no go finish. Amen. Hey, my God. Jesus. Oh, boy.
150 million naira.
Hey. This is called cash out. Hey. We are cashing out. We just cashed out. Hey, my God.
You are dancing now.
See,
bring that thing.
See this. This money where he enter, he no go finish. Amen. We don't have back. Hey.
Finally. Which car will buy now?
Guy. Hey.
Which car we need to at least not go pick one car tomorrow.
First in a club, babes, drinks.
Which one first in a club? Motor now. No, drive to enter club.
But you don't stress them. More chill out now.
We go chill, but we need ride. We need ride.
Hey.
We need ride. Chuka, we need ride.
Are you serious? How were you able to pick up such amount, so huge, in just a short while? 150 million naira is not the kind of money you just pick at once. Oh, lucky you. But do not forget to go back and pay your tithe and loyalty to your source, because you can be revised. You might find out about revised. You can be revised. Okay. Wow.
115 million. Sorry, sir. You mean someone just picked 150 million naira?
Yeah. Are you serious? I'm sure your hearing aid was able to comprehend the discourse. You had it clear.
Are you serious? 150 million naira.
Oh, yes. You know, outside your, what did you say you have? So you have a land there? What did you call it?
Resident permit.
Your residence permit. Outside your residential permission, you can make so much money that you begin to swim in the bosom of moon. And thank your goodness that I'm about to step you outside that residential permit. Finally, thank God. Sir, we are loyal boys and we are always thankful. And trust me, we will still be grateful in future. Just teach us how to pick such amounts.
Joey, but if there's a place such an amount of money can be picked, could you find out where JNN you found out Banaka?
I don't, please, boss, please.
You know, when you tell a child that the well is deep, he looks at your face and says, is that not what I've had? I train some boys in what we call G+. And they make extra deep wealth.
Sorry, sir, I want to get this bit by bit. What is G+?
It is called Yahoo.
G+. Yahoo. So, whatever it is, we can learn. Whatever I lay my hands on shall prosper. So teach me. In fact, teach us. We will prosper.
Of course. Just give us the OT.
Can any of you use the same hand to type on the computer? Can you operate the computer with that your hand? Whatever he lays his hand on prospers. Can you prosper with computer?
Computer? Of course now. I went to school now. But just give us the OT. It's one time. But
I don't know how to press computer.
Maybe you go show us way now. You just teach us now.
Let me make it very clear to all of you, to both of you. Continue in the quest of picking up and telling. It will make you glorious. It will give you more money. And trust me, I shall make sure that your bank account will be flowing and overflowing. Opantemodi is a good business. Forget about Akalaka. Okay. Anyway, so am I getting the 150 pieces you talked about?
Boss, besides, death on the street, it's not a problem.
One of my own.
Baby, your band, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. I saw your band, oh, you bring them.
Come here. Your what? The man? Come here. Where's your pants?
We're not putting on pants. If
I find out that you are putting on pants. Come on, scamper. It's your smaller. Come here. Come on, Jantete. How do you survive? These children do not wear pants anymore.
Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your band, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke, If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. I saw your band, oh, you bring them, and not they use me play, If you say you no go bring them, the only option,
This is the last thing I ever expected to hear from the two of you. I brought you out from the slump, believing that you will do well, with enough strength, and you come to tell me this kind of rubbish?
Boss, I don't know how to explain this, but trust me, these girls don't wear pants anymore. Everybody's naked these days.
Oh.
Yes, they don't wear pants anymore.
If Suddenly, all the up and downwards has disappeared from the surface of earth. Then you should go back and continue to eat the money you already made. And when the money is finished, you can return to the slum. As I vamoose away from your presence, vamoose from my abode. Chief, do not shift me. Vamoose from my abode.
It's not like you're not working. The gear
I said vamoose from my abode. No up and down, no business.
Suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your bank came to my rescue. As far as I know.
What do we do? I know what to do.
Then share it immediately. Oh, maybe.
When we get to the car.
Poverty no good at all. Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your back, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. I saw your back, oh, you bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your back.
Sir, please don't kill me. Please. Please, sir, please, I'm begging.
Go down. Remove your pants.
Sir, please, I'm begging you. Please don't kill me. Please, sir.
Remove your pants.
I want pints.
Remove your pants.
Pints, sir, please. Please, I don't get any pints here, sir, please.
Sorry?
I don't have any pints here, sir, please.
You're not wearing any pants?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
You are not wearing any pants?
Yes, sir. Please, sir, don't kill me, please, I beg you.
If you move. Take. Wear these pants. Take, my friend. You're not wearing any pants. Fool. Wear it! No, come back here. Come back here.
I'm begging you, sir, please. Don't kill me, sir.
Come
please.
back here.
Please, sir.
Come back here. Close my door. Close it. Be smiling. Don't know people. Don't make people know what's going on. Be smiling. If you frown, you're dead. I say be smiling. Be smiling. Go down.
Thank you, sir.
Pull the pant. Pull the pant.
Thank you, sir.
Close my door.
Baby, your back, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them.
This new strategy is making sense. The day is still young, and we've gotten like 10 pounds. Good business.
My brother, don't you think it's time we begin to think of or think about what Chief Akuma does with those pants?
Is it necessary? It's not necessary now. I mean, we bring the pants, he gives us our money. So what he does with them shouldn't be our business. After all, he pays us.
You're gonna talk about when I'm mother age, you gotta talk. You know, why don't you shift that all? Take your mind away from the money and think deep. look into it deeply on what this man does with those pants. Okay, have you asked yourself why in such a big city girls no longer wear pants? Are they not afraid?
It's simple. They are afraid.
So why are they afraid?
Wait. What did he do? No, wait. Guys, what did he do? Wait now. Why no one kill him now? What did he do? Thief. Wait. Why no one kill him? Okay now, come and stop that! Hey! Ogini! What man come? What has he done? Go see him. He's told ordinary this bag he surely wear. What man come? Okay, we'll finish this one here. Let's see how much he stole. Oh my God. What a blanket. What is this? What is this? Makeup and makeup prison. You guys are the criminals. Is this your bag? This is not your bag. He snatched it from someone. Please get up. Ini, get up, my brother. Look at. Get into the car. Let me take you straight to the hospital. It will not be good. Unnatural. Go and get a job. Let me tell you something. Get a job.
Thanks for saving my life.
You should be thanking your stars. You know those boys would have roasted you alive and turned you to suya. What did you do?
Oh God, I stole. No job now. If I have a good job, I won't be a thief. No job. I have nothing going on. I need to survive. No job.
No job.
Please help me. If I have a job, I won't be a thief.
Tell me, do you live around here?
Yes.
Are we close to your place now?
Yeah, my house is over there.
Okay. I will drop you. And tomorrow, I will come back by this time again to your place.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You saved my life.
No, you are just lucky. And what is inside the bag? Nonsense. Makeup. It's not good to be tapping from women. There are other good things you can tap from women. But I will let you know about that. Is this the place?
Yes, sir. This is our house.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
See you tomorrow. I'll be here by this time.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day. Take some, pain relief.
All right, sir.
See you tomorrow. When there are lots of good things that he can do, instead of tapping a woman's bag, when you get there up and it makes a lot of money. What would you do with their bags? Their bags are often filled with some kind of crazy makeup. Mande China, Mande Kotongula. A young boy, strong boy, simple. What up and one pant, years ago, his life would change.
My son.
Mama.
I saw a huge amount of money in this house. And I am also aware how you have been spending money lately. I wonder whose money you took this time.
Mama, I did not take anybody's money. Every dime you see me spend, I made it. Am I not old enough to make money?
it is clear to me, very, very clear to me that that money that I saw in this house is not yours. But in whatever thing you get your life into, let the heaven and earth bear me witness that I am not in support of it. That is all I have to tell you.